Hey everyone, I am Jojo. I am a medical esthetician and I have been introducing lots of skincare to my clients, and I just wanted to go through what my evening routine is using peptides. So since I have really sensitive skin and it gets quite itchy regularly, I'm using the Marcelle Ultra Gentle Cleansing Gel. So there are no irritants in this cleansing gel, so when I'm using it, I know that I won't get a rash or um, get weird things happening to my skin. So even with other brands that say that they're for sensitive skin, there could be some irritants in there that could irritate my skin. So I have been loyal to this one since coming back to Canada. So I've just washed my face, and now I'm going to use a Centella facial toner, and this one is by Baha. And what I'm gonna do is actually give you links to all these products that I'm using. I'm not really, I'm just patting it on. I'm not really loyal to one brand. I just like the ingredients. So if the ingredients are good, then I'll use it. And what's good about Centella is that it's a plant originally from Madagascar, and it's antibacterial, it's calming, it reduces inflammation. So it really helps me with my allergic skin and reduce that inflammation. And unfortunately, I only have the baby version of my favorite hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure if you can see this one. This is IIS by Native Essentials. And my clients here actually have bought all the bottles that I brought back, so I only have a baby one left. And what I like about this serum is that it's very lightweight. It's got rose distillate, and it's got hyaluronic acid with different molecular weights so that it can actually penetrate into your skin layers. And I'm not allergic to this one. I've tried a bunch of other hyaluronic acids, and I have been allergic to different ones. So even when I sometimes change to other brands, I'll come back and I'll use this one again. And you do want to apply hyaluronic acid on damp skin because that allows it to absorb. But because hyaluronic acid is a humectant, means it draws water from where there's more and brings it to where there's less. If it's more humid, more dry outside, it will pull the moisture from your skin and toss it into the air. So you do want to lock it in with things. So next I'm going to use the Skin Collection. I don't know how to pronounce this. Argireline. I've heard this pronounced many different ways. And right now I'm using the one from the Skin Collection, but I have used other ones, and there are a few that I like, and I will link them down below for you and talk about them more in my blog post as well if you're really into like the ingredients. And what Argireline does is that it inhibits deep contractions of the muscles. So you notice that I am really rubbing it into my 11 lines because I do like to frown a lot. So in the evening, I want to make sure that I am not frowning while I'm sleeping, right? So anywhere where you feel like you are contracting your muscles more, like your crow's feet or your nasal labial folds, or anywhere like up here even, but because I don't contract all that much because I do face yoga. So I'm trying to focus on just using my eyebrow muscles and not my forehead to make my expressions. Then it allows for less forehead wrinkles up here, but I do have fine lines. And just more built up structure in my eyebrow area. But you can see that this eyebrow is still not that great yet. I want to be able to move this muscle up a little bit more. Working on it, and that's why it's good to practice. And I forgot to mention that Argireline is a peptide. We are going through my peptide regimen tonight, and this is the Matrixyl 3000 from Depology, and I love this one. And Matrixyl 3000 actually induces collagen production. It is made from peptides, and so wherever you want more collagen, which is all over my face, I am going to be putting it on. So I want collagen up here, collagen here, collagen here. And I like to use a brushing up motion and give myself like a lymphatic drainage massage every night while I'm at it. So that's why you see me just pressing down and pushing out like this. And then brushing downwards toward my lymphatic drainage system. And last but not least, because I have really allergic skin, I have been in love with Bioderma, the Atoderm. This is the gel version, and it's very lightweight, and it does lock everything in for me, and there are no irritants in this gel. So I use everything around my eyes because this is where I get really puffy, really allergic, and very itchy and flaky skin. So I have to use stuff that have comedogenic factors of 0, meaning they have to have 0 irritants in it. Otherwise, my skin does flare up very easily. So if you see me having like a rashy eye, especially around here, you'll know that I was testing out a new skincare thing that was trending, and my skin didn't react very well to it. So that's my nighttime skincare routine, and if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Have a good night.